Wow. Well, I mean, that sounds like such an amazing thing that MarineMax offers. And, even if you're undecided about which boat might be the right one for you, it sounds like a conversation with the business manager might help you find the boat that you're looking for. If you're kind of overwhelmed with the options and which one do I go with? And I like them all. I just want a boat. Let's start with what you can afford and start with what you're comfortable with that monthly payment. It's a good way to
Exactly.
approach it.
It absolutely
Excellent.
is. Yeah.
All right. Well, I know there's a ton more information, and a lot of these variables have to do with the individual person and what you're looking at getting and your situation. So we encourage you to speak with your business manager at your local MarineMax. And if you need any more information, marinemax.com. I know there's more there. Carrie, any final words for our viewers?
No, I really appreciate your time, Lisa. I appreciate you allowing me to kind of explain how we can get involved and how we can help our buyers. It's just really enhances the we've said experience over and over, but it enhances the experience from start to finish.
Yes, definitely making it easier for people to get out on the water and enjoy their boats.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. We hope to see you out on the water.